Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at different aspects of research methodology. We've already seen why literature review or literature survey is necessary, and now we are going to see how do we do it. So first and foremost, of course, you need to define your research question. We have spoken a lot about research proposal and how you need to have a title, an abstract, and so on and so forth. Once you know what is your research question, it is going to lead you to specific keywords or phrases or terms which are relevant to it, and it's very necessary to give specific terms or keywords in your search, because otherwise you will get so many things, and many of those things may not be actually needed for you. So this is very important, this word specific and relevant, it's very important here. And then you need to decide in which database you're going to look it for. For example, there is an academic database like Google Scholar, JSTOR, Web of Science, and so on and so forth. There's also Scopus. So once you go to that database, then give your specific search, you will get many different, of course, depending on how many hits each one of them is going to have, you will get those many different links. Now, you have to be very careful. You have to look at credible and reliable sources. Now, you have ACS, American Chemical Society, APS, American Physical Society. All these are very reliable sources. So, if you are getting a research paper from any of the journals associated with these, or Nature, for example, Science, etc., it's going to be very credible and reliable. And you need to, once you get, open a research paper, whichever you think. Now even there I'm going to give you specific examples, and we are going to work out how to do research. So right now this is more of a broad guideline. So once you get a research paper, you need to extract the relevant information from it, whatever you're looking for. So there's an introduction initially which tells you more about the field, then there's the actual experiment happening, then it talks about the observations that were recorded, the analysis part. So you need to choose, because every paper, in every paper you may not be interested in each and every detail given there. You might be looking a particular paper for the specific information you require. So in that manner you have to organize it. For example, if someone is looking for synthesis of gold nanoparticles, then all those papers which are giving different methods can come under the heading synthesis methods for gold nanoparticles, and so on. And you will need to analyze and interpret the data that is given there. And it's very important that when you are making a note of all this, you use a consistent citation style. We will be looking at what citation styles are, but for the time being you can just remember this. In simple words, you can say it has to be given in a particular format, so as to say. Each one of them has it. Like for example, American Chemical Society has its own format of how a reference is given. So you need to document it, whatever references you are getting. And this is a very broad guideline. In the next video we are going to talk about a specific database called Google Scholar, and then of course we are going to do some more episodes on actually searching the paper and extracting information from that. But to begin with, this is the broad guideline. Thank you.